Breathe it in. It smells good.
Smell it. Yeah. I'm sorry, but it really does smell really good. What's up, everybody? It's AJ here. It's Olivia. Jalil is downstairs. I know he hasn't been in intros lately. Every time I do a video, he's usually in the room or something, like downstairs or something. So today we decided to go make French toast and stuff this morning. There's not much to really do, so yeah. We're gonna go to the store real quick. What are we gonna make?
Homemade French toast. It's homemade. Homemade. I'm on the recording. Dang, why you look so little?
Was it what?
Why you look so little? Deli. I'm on the celly right now, showing the hash browns. Okay, so we got the bread. It's Texas toast, and we're going to get the vanilla extract in the cinnamon. Okay, so we're at checkout. I keep switching the phone back and forth, so.
Okay.
Anyway, yep.
We're about to make these.
I'm about to make them because I can cook. I don't know
Yeah,
about
he can
her.
cook better.
Things got bought.
I still see it in town.
It's time to
You
cook.
know the car next to us, Mom used to have a white one
I'm
of
a little
those?
scared. Looks good.
We need to add more since the bottom thing. So, even we have French toast, hash browns, and I was eating English muffins with peanut butter. Because I forgot we had peanut butter and stuff. We should have got fruit, but we didn't. We had fruit this morning too. Should I flip it?
Right there.
So this hash brown's done. Ooh, hot, hot.
Damn, look.
They can't see it.
They can't see it.
Now
I'm
they
stepping back. Dip it like this.
Yeah.
And make sure the bread absorbs the eggs. And we're back. You feel me? A&J, what are you doing? Don't do it.
Remember? Do you remember?
Smell it?
Do you remember?
No, we're not gonna do that. I'm cooking.
You don't remember
You
the
smell
handshake? You don't remember the handshake?
it? Breathe it in. It smells
I
good.
smell it. Yeah. I'm sorry, but it really does smell really good.
Put that one in the corner. Corner in the corner.
Now we're just making eggs. They're right.
Yeah.
We've got almost everything set up.
What's up, guys? This is the ending part of our video. We made breakfast for Olivia's family. It was pretty cool. It was really good because, you know, I'm a chef like that. All right, guys, this is A&J. See you guys.
Bye.